Hello everybody, we're Jonathan here at the Wine Cru. Another parcel's arrived, so we're just going to open this one up and see what we've got today. It's slightly unconventional packaging to say the least. I do always get a certain thrill when opening up packages that arrive, although it's something that we're ultimately going to put on our website and sell. I always do feel excited by the idea of receiving a parcel. We're fighting our way through. Interesting bits of paper. Before we get to the actual box. And in fact, rather pleasantly surprised, in a wooden box. Once I get into it, certainly well protected in the bubble wrap. Before we get to the next part of opening the actual wooden box. So, if your wine is in a wooden box, best way to get into that without breaking the wine or the box is to use a screwdriver and a hammer if you need to. Here we go. So, sadly broken. And finally, we get close to the actual bottom, which, as you can see, has also been wrapped up inside. It's a Magnum. There we are. And it's a very fine Chateau de Pez from Saint Estèphe, 1991, Magnum size bottle. So that's a double bottle. There we go. Soon to be added to our website. Thank you very much.